Your question is the Act of 1909 was associated with. Your options are A. Introduction of separate electorate, B. Decentralization, C. Diarchy, or D. Legislative councils. Right answer is A. Introduction of separate electorate. Your question is the system of judicial review exists in. Your options are A. India only, B. USA only, C. India and USA, or D. UK only. Right answer is C. India and USA. Your question is in which article of the Constitution the adult suffrage is recognized? Your options are A. Article 324, B. Article 325, C. Article 326, or D. Article 327. Right answer is C. Article 326. Your question is which one of the following describes India as a secular state? Your options are A. Fundamental rights, B. Preamble to the Constitution, C. Ninth Schedule, or D. Directive principles. Right answer is B. Preamble to the Constitution. Your question is consider the following statements and select the correct answer from the quote given at the end. Assertion A. The Constitution of India provides for a federal system. Reason R. It has created a very strong center. Quotes. Your options are A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false, or D. A is false, but R is true. Right answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Your question is one of the following statements is incorrect. Point out. Your options are A. The state of Mysore was renamed as Tamil Nadu, B. Goa was separated from Daman and Diu, C. The state of Bombay was split into Gujarat and Maharashtra, or D. Himachal Pradesh was previously in the list of union territories. Right answer is A. The state of Mysore was renamed as Tamil Nadu. Your question is which article of the Constitution gives precedence to constitutional provisions over the laws made by the Union Parliament or state legislatures? Your options are A. 13, B. 32, C. 245, or D. 326. Right answer is A. 13. Your question is which provision of the fundamental rights is directly related to the exploitation of children? Your options are A. Article 17, B. Article 19, C. Article 23, or D. Article 24. Right answer is D. Article 24. Your question is under the Indian Constitution, who amongst the following is considered to be the guardian of the fundamental rights? Your options are A. Parliament, B. President, C. Judiciary, or D. Prime Minister. Right answer is C. Judiciary. Your question is which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India is related to equality before law? Your options are A. Article 16, B. Article 15, C. Article 14, or D. Article 13. Right answer is C. Article 14. Your question is which principle among the following was added to the directive principles of state policy by the 42nd Amendment to the Constitution? Your options are A. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women, B. Participation of workers in the management of industries, C. Right to work, education and public assistance, or D. Securing living wages and human conditions of work to workers. Right answer is B. Participation of workers in the management of industries. Your question is protection of which one of the following is a fundamental duty of an Indian citizen? Your options are A. Village Panchayat, B. National flag, C. Scheduled castes or scheduled tribes, or D. Wildlife. Right answer is D. Wildlife. Your question is consider the following statements about the President of India. 1. He should be citizen of India by birth. 2. He should have completed the age of 35 years. 3. He should be qualified for election as a member of parliament. Which of these statements is or are correct? Your options are A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. 1 and 2, or D. 1 and 3. Right answer is B. Only 2. He should have completed the age of 35 years. Your question is who among the following presidents exercised a power which is pocket veto in constitutional terminology? Your options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. V.V. Giri, C. Gianni Zail Singh, D. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or E. None of the above. Right answer is C. Gianni Zail Singh. Your question is power of the president to grant pardons etc. is a. Your options are A. Legislative power, B. Judicial power, C. Executive power, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Judicial power. Your question is, who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Your options are A. The President, B. The Vice President, C. The Prime Minister, or D. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. Right answer is B. The Vice President. Your question is, what is the minimum age requirement to become the Prime Minister of India? Your options are A. 21 years, B. 25 years, C. 30 years, or D. 35 years. Right answer is B. 25 years. Your question is, which Prime Minister died outside India? Your options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Morarji Desai, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, or D. Charan Singh. Right answer is C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Your question is, which officer of the Government of India has the right to take part in the proceedings of Parliament of India even though he is not a member? Your options are A. Vice President, B. Attorney General of India, C. Comptroller and Auditor General, D. Election Commissioner, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Your question is, Girish Chandra Murmu has become India's. Your options are A. 12th Comptroller and Auditor General, B. 13th Comptroller and Auditor General, C. 14th Comptroller and Auditor General, or D. 15th Comptroller and Auditor General. Right answer is C. 14th Comptroller and Auditor General.